Hello, friends. Good evening. So, welcome in the journey of Tableau. So, welcome once again. So, this is the week 3 and lecture is 5. So, already we discussed that Tableau is one of the best and advanced tool for the data analysis and the data visualizations. So, I don't want to waste the time. So, just directly going to the Tableau for the data analytics and the data visualization. Okay, so this is our data source, how the interface looks like, how you can attach your data, right? So this is we discussed in the previous videos. So I'm moving ahead in the sheet number 1 for the data analysis, right? Yeah. So whatever the data we have uploaded, the same data is showing here, reflecting here. That is your global superstore file. Okay, so in this particular file, there are a number of rows and columns. So that is reflecting here, right? Suppose in this particular the data which the data is reflecting here, the same kind of file is here, like how the data looks like and what are the numbers and columns is there, right? So okay, suppose if I want to know the data in particular file, like I want to know the data in which particular category the sales is high and the sales and the profit is, I want to know that, right? So I'm just showing you, and I will be teaching you in this particular video, how to your analyze your data in this particular file and your highlighted tables. I will be teaching you highlighted tables and pivot view, cross tab views, and your text table, right? So I just simply click, I want to know data. I want to know the data, like in which category the sales and profit is higher, right? So I'm just simply click it in this particular row column, and I want to know in which particular, if, like in which category the sales is high and what the actual quantity, right? So I'm just click it over here. Yeah, just category and is your I'm just doing once again. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm just connecting the data. Global Superstore. This is your file data. Yeah, I'm going to sheet number 1. Yes. Yeah, I'm simply click the category in the row column, and I want to know the sales of the furniture, the sales of the office supplies, and the sales of the technology. And in this particular file, there are 3 categories only. The same thing is reflecting here, right? So I'm just simply click the sales of this category wise. I am just clicking it in this particular data. Yeah. So this we can able to see that in furniture the sales is like 4110874, office supplies is 378740, and technology 4744557, right? How easy it is, right? And the file looks like this, and you just simply click, no any excel formula, nothing else, right? You just simply click in this particular row and you can able to see the data, right? So this is your text table. Okay, and if I want to now, if I want to know that the subcategory wise sales and profit, how you can do that in the Tableau. You have to think about it. What data you want to get it? You have to think about it, right? I want the data, the sales and the profit subcategory wise. So what simply you can do? You just simply subcategory wise. You just simply click in this particular column. So right, so in subcategory, like this is your furniture. In this category there are 4 types of subcategory under the category of furniture, like bookcases, chairs, furnishing, and tables. And the sales for this particular subcategory is 1466572. This is your numbers. How the beauty of Tableau, how simple is it is, right? So this is your text table, right? And if I say, right, if I want to know the data like segment wise, right? Suppose I want the data as a segment wise, right? So you just simply click it in this column and you can able to see the data. Like in the segment wise, there are 3 segments: your corporate, home, and your consumer, right? In this segment there is 765511 is the sales, and in this which category, vocations. In this particular category you can able to see the data, and this you can able to see the data of how the beauty of Tableau. This is your text view. This is also called pivot view, and this is also called your crosstab view. Now I will be teaching you the highlighted tables, how you can highlight your data. Like if you want to know the sales and profit, profit could be like you're in negative or in the positive as well, right? So we want the data like this. How you can do that, right? So I want like profit, uh, the category wise and the segment wise, right? So I just simply click the profit and put it in the color column so that you can able to sell the data, and just simply click it, and where we can able to see that in this particular segment, however the sales is like your 381727, but the profit is less compared to others, right? How you can highlight your data, right? So you just simply click it in this square column so that you can able to see the data in a very systematic manner, right? You can able to see that this particular some profit, the profit from negative values to the positive value. Okay, so in this orange column, whatever the orange column is there, it's showing the negative values. Profit and the sales is this, and the profit is minus 29520 and minus 9833, right? And you can able to see the data like this. This is your highlighted tables so that you can able to highlight your data, right? Like suppose if I want to know the contribution of sales, how you can do that? If I want the contribution, you just simply click in this the profit contribution, right? So you just simply click it over here, and you can able to see the difference and the percentage. Now there are a number of options: running total, difference, percentage of total. You will just simply click it over here, percentage of total, and you can able to see the data. That is your total profit, along with that is your 49.83 percentage. This is your 33.777 contribution in the profit, and 17.31, where you can evaluate to see the data in the percentage contribution. Okay, and if you want to the same thing in the sales, then you simply click it over here, and you just click it in the quick table calculation, and you can able to see the data in the percentage of total, and you can able to see the data like this. Like your in the profit, like out of 100 there are 52.7% contribution from the consumer perspective, and like your 33.77% is with respect to your profit, and 31.18% is with respect to your sales, right? And 16.6 points with respect to your sales contribution, and with respect to your profit 17.31. How easy it is, right? If you want this numeric value, the same, you just simply click it over here and remove it this section, and the same thing, and remove it. Okay, so that how easy it is, right? So this is the way you can analyze your data in the Tableau. So in next video we will be teaching you your the donor chart, pivot chart, and the scatter and histogram chart. Okay, so till the time you please practice it. So bye bye, take care.